Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now let's start our today's topic. Today we are going to learn something interesting. Do you know what we are going to learn? About good habits. Today we learn about good habits. Now let's start. Area covered health and hygiene. Objective to give knowledge about personal hygiene, to give knowledge about table etiquettes. Brush your teeth twice a day to keep them healthy. Comb your hair to look pretty. Pray to God every day. Wash your hands to keep them neat. Take a bath daily. Get up early in the morning. Take healthy meal. Do exercise daily. It keeps you fit. Now students, let's recite rhyme. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Now students, speak after me. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. Wash, wash, wash your face. Wash, wash, wash your face. Wash it every day. Wash, wash, wash your face. Wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. Comb, comb, comb your hair. Comb, comb, comb your hair. Comb it every day. Comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, comb it every day. Drink, drink, drink your milk. Drink, drink, drink your milk. Drink it every day. Drink it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, drink it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, drink it every day. Students, what we have learned in our today's session, we have learned about the good habits. We should follow these good habits to be healthy and to keep our body clean. I will come up with more interesting videos. Stay in touch, students. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.